Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy worm candy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, and your favorite flavored syrup or juice. You'll also need some food coloring to achieve vibrant colors. Prepare your silicone worm molds by lightly greasing them, which helps with easy removal later. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth candy-making experience, ensuring everything is at your fingertips. Now, let's create the gummy base. In a saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of cold water with 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes, allowing the gelatin to bloom and thicken. Next, add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of your chosen flavored syrup or juice to the saucepan. Stir these ingredients together gently over low heat until everything is fully dissolved and smooth. With your ingredients combined, it's time to cook. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until it becomes clear and all the sugar is dissolved. Be careful not to let it boil. Once clear, remove it from the heat and stir in a few drops of food coloring to achieve your desired vibrant shade. Now, carefully pour the warm gummy liquid into your prepared silicone worm molds. Work quickly, as the mixture will start to set. After pouring, place your filled molds into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until the gummy worms are completely firm. Once set, gently pop them out of their molds. They should release easily, revealing your perfectly shaped, chewy treats. Store your homemade gummy worms in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. They make a fantastic snack or a fun gift. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.